Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Withings Body Smart Scale. First, download the Withings HealthMate app on your smartphone. Next, create a new account or log into your existing one. Then, follow the simple in-app instructions to pair your new scale using Bluetooth. Make sure your home Wi-Fi network is ready, as this allows your data to synchronize seamlessly and automatically. This initial setup takes just a few minutes to complete. For accurate readings, always place your Withings Body Smart Scale on a hard, flat surface, avoiding carpets. Step onto the scale barefoot, ensuring your feet are centered, and stand perfectly still. The display will then show your weight, followed by other body composition metrics. This smart scale can automatically recognize and track data for up to 8 different users, making it perfect for the whole family. Once your measurements are taken, open the HealthMate app to view your comprehensive health data. You can see your weight, body fat percentage, muscle mass, and more. The app presents this information with detailed graphs and charts, allowing you to track trends over time. It also provides valuable insights into your body composition and helps you set and monitor personal health goals effectively. The Withings Body Smart offers several advanced features. For instance, activate athlete mode if you exercise intensely for more than 3 times a week for more accurate body composition readings. Expectant mothers can use the dedicated pregnancy tracker. You can also sync your data with over 100 other popular health applications. Remember to clean your scale with a soft, damp cloth, avoiding any harsh chemicals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.